Hey guys, are you ready to up your style game in college? It's time to upgrade your wardrobe to look sharp, trendy and confident on campus. Whether you're just starting college or you're a seasoned veteran, let's dive into the must-haves for your basic wardrobe. Denim jeans. A classic pair of denim jeans is a staple in every college student's wardrobe. Opt for a dark wash for a more dressed-up look, or a light wash for a casual one. T-shirts. Invest in some comfortable and stylish t-shirts in different colors and patterns. Don't be afraid to play around with graphic tees for a fun touch. Hoodies and sweatshirts. For those chilly days, hoodies and sweatshirts are perfect for layering and staying cozy. Look for one in a neutral color for versatility. Sneakers. A pair of sneakers is a must for running around campus and for more casual occasions. Look for a classic white pair or opt for a trendy style in a bold color. Button-down shirt. A button-down shirt is essential for dressing up your outfits and can be worn with jeans or chinos for a put-together look. Chinos. For a dressier option, consider adding a pair of chinos to your wardrobe. They are comfortable, versatile and come in a range of colors. Outerwear. You'll need a jacket or coat to keep you warm during those colder months. A bomber jacket or a denim jacket is a great choice for a stylish and practical piece. And that's it. With these basic pieces in your wardrobe, you'll have endless options for stylish and comfortable outfits. Don't be afraid to mix and match and add your own personal touch. Rock your campus style with confidence, guys.